are going to be in serious trouble because of that new exchange. A lot of people are going to be given the chance in Asia to be involved in precious metals in a way that they never have before. This could be serious trouble for the shorts and drive gold and silver a lot higher.
I agree 100%. Again, we've seen it happen many times when the shorts get caught, like they did last year. You know, you saw a very sizable move in a very short period of time. Again, we've seen it twice in the past 6 months. So I think that is definitely an issue. And again, the Chinese, we know, are buying gold and silver. In fact, they've enticed their citizens to buy gold and silver, and that's basically why they're doing this. So, again, I think that they understand what's going on. They understand inflation. They're raising their interest rates. They seem to be doing the right things at this point, and I agree. The fact is, when you bring, that many new investors onto a market, it's going to take away from the U.S. markets, and it's going to almost level it out. And I think with the extra volume coming into the market, it could literally make those shorts almost non-existent. So, again, that would be a good thing for the market. I'm all for getting the thieves out of the market and letting the markets trade on their own. But again, you just can't trust the governments at this point. Things are so terrible for the U.S. government that they will do anything to save face and to buy time. And, that includes lying, cheating, and stealing. So, as far as I'm concerned, we're on our own. We really need to do what's right for us and our families, and we need to make certain that we understand what's going on so we can make an intelligent business decision based on facts, not what we read on not what we see by the cheerleaders on television. So, again, the trend is in. We've got 5 years to make a ton of money, and if we don't make it, we will never get another opportunity, I believe, in our lifetime to do what we're doing right now. Those of us that have been in the markets for the 10 years, we've done and seen extreme profits, and again, I speak to people on a daily basis that verify that. But by far the best is yet to come. It's not too late to get involved in gold and silver, and it's certainly not too late to get involved in diamonds. I very strongly recommend that you understand what's going on and take these precautions because, again, if you don't make the money during these next 5 years, you're going to remember this for the rest of your lifetime.
The telephone number to invest in precious metals, 1-866-623-2002. The website, wwpmc.com. Harold's website, rarecoloreddiamonds.com. Speak with Harold personally and privately at 1-800-432-1022. And I agree with Harold. We're in a scenario where this is an insurance policy. Gold, silver, diamonds are an insurance policy, and we have been right. That insurance policy has paid dividends, has protected us. And even if for some reason in the future we're wrong, you're still going to do all right by having these assets, alternative assets in your portfolio. I don't personally believe we're wrong. When you have somebody like Bill Gross, and it's in the newsletter, come out this week, he's a fund manager with PIMCO, one of the biggest bond fund managers in the world. He says, U.S. lawmakers don't get the long-term implications of deficit reduction, even if a resolution is reached to lift the debt ceiling. The U.S. basically has a $60 trillion net present value liability burden, and that constitutes Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security in combination. Gross said it certainly exceeds those liabilities in Greece, Portugal, or Spain. Ultimately, the United States has a big, big problem. $60 trillion in net current present value liability burdens. And you think about it, those burdens are being added to yearly. Harold, with about 30 seconds left, that's why we need the insurance policy, because things are teetering, and there are a lot of landmines out there, as I've said on multiple shows. Now's the time to protect yourself.
You bet. And again, we're doing it. I know because I speak to listeners all the time that we're doing the right thing. And again, the next 5 years are going to be very strong for certain assets and going to be very concerning for others. I would very strongly suggest that you get your positions in the market. Don't be trading like crazy. Just sit back and let the markets do their thing, and let's just see what unfolds over the next 5 years. I'm betting, and I'm very positive in the fact that gold, silver, and diamonds are going to make our clients financially stable and, again, give us the opportunities to have money to go into other markets to profit after this is over. So, again, I'm very excited about the markets. I want to wish everybody a wonderful weekend and a very profitable day.
Thank you, Harold. We spoke about it on a past show. It's the 3D syndrome, which is debts, deficits, and demographics. And the developed world has got some serious problems based on 3D. The telephone number, 1-866-623-2002, wwpmc.com for the precious metals. For diamonds, rarecoloreddiamonds.com, 1-800-432-1022. That's it. Have a great weekend. Another edition of the World Financial Report on radio with Harold Siegel and me, Randy Marshall. We will talk to you next week.